Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today. I'm back for Not Too Shabby. I'm going to share with you two very simple cards showcasing components from the May craft box. Unfortunately, the craft box is already sold out, but you can also find the stamp sets that you can purchase individually, with the exception of this one that I'm showing you right now. This stamp set is called Yum Yum. It features this really cute hamster with a coffee, a boba, with the bow and the donut and the muffin, and a couple of sentiments. So you can purchase this stamp set as a digital stamp available at the shop. These other two stamp sets that I will be showing you now, they're still available for purchase, so everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. This one, I really love the images because it features this cute coffee mug with the croissant and another coffee mug with like the whipped cream, and just really cute images and cute sentiments to go with the images. And this one is also my favorite because it features coffee sentiments, and I really love this one. It says drink the coffee, do the crafts. Love that because we're crafters, so we love coffee, and that's just perfect for our card making. And mom fuel, all I need is coffee and scissors, lashes long and coffee strong. Very cute sentiments. And the May box also features two ephemera die cut pieces, and this one is more like a blue and cream, and then the other one is like more like watercolored images, and they are really cute, and they coordinate with the two paper pads that are included in the May craft box. I'm not entirely sure if you can purchase the paper pads separately, so if they're not available at the shop, that means these are only available with the craft box. So my advice is when they get featured at the shop, you need to grab them immediately before they sell out. I'm also going to be using this stencil from My Favorite Things for my first card as a background. I've already stamped and colored my images using my Spectrum Noir alcohol markers and die cut using my brother's scan and cut machine. I wanted this video to be a little shorter than my regular videos because sometimes I just want to create some simple cards to show you without having to fuss around with the coloring as well. So I've die cut this cardstock using an LDRS creative die set, and now I'm just using my stencil to add color to this background. Since I'm using Neenah Solar White cardstock, I will be using the blending brushes, and I'm using the Kitsch Flamingo, Mustard Seed, and Peacock Feathers. I was just using my masking tape here to mask off the little portions so that I don't have to overcolor the other side, but just blending the colors together until I was satisfied with the intensity of the colors. I really love this stencil by My Favorite Things because it's just really simple, and you can add the color to your background, and it's just so easy to do that using the stencil. So now I'm just going to stamp the sentiment on top of the card, and then I will be adhering the focal image on the card with some foam adhesive just to pop it up a little bit. And over here is when I decided that there's too much white in this card, so I wanted to matte this with some black cardstock. So I'm just going to adhere those using some liquid glue, and this first card is done. Easy peasy. And for my second card today, I wanted to create a slimline card. I will be using this film strip die by Scrappiness. This film strip die set contains two dies, and one has like 3 windows and the other one has 4. I'm going to be using the other one with the 3 windows. And I already have this card base that I did a few weeks ago, and I just didn't use them, and I thought this will go perfectly well with the other card that I created because it has pink and yellow So what I did was I die cut the film strip and just foam mounted it to this already made slimline card base, and now I'm just going to adhere the images that I colored earlier, some of them with liquid glue and some of them with foam adhesive, just to give it a little bit of dimension. So as you can see, this is a very simple project today. I already created that background a while back and I just kept it in my stash because I didn't want it to go to waste, and now it's perfect as a card base for my images here that matches the other card. And just to finish my card design, I will now be stamping the sentiment right in the middle with some Versamark ink. And I was just using my fingers to rub the stamp set a little bit so that it will stamp better. And I stamped the sentiment twice to get a really nice impression of the sentiment. So these are the cards that I created today, showcasing components from the May box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. The supplies I use will be listed and linked in the description box below. I hope you like this, and I'd be so grateful if you can kindly give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Thank you again for stopping by today and for watching this video, and happy crafting!